Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about street curbs and how they're built. You may not think much about them, but they play an important role in our daily lives as pedestrians and drivers alike. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what street curbs are, their different types, functions, how these curbs are constructed and the materials used. A street curb is a raised edge that separates the roadway from the sidewalk or pedestrian footpath. It's usually made of concrete, but it can also be made of other materials such as granite or brick. The main purpose of a street curb is to provide a physical barrier between vehicles and pedestrians, preventing accidents and improving safety. Now, let's talk about the different types of curbs. There are three main types of curbs: mountable curbs, barrier curbs, and rolled curbs. Mountable curbs are low and sloped, designed to allow vehicles to drive over them if necessary, such as during emergency situations. Barrier curbs, on the other hand, are tall and vertical, creating a significant physical barrier between the road and the sidewalk. They're used to prevent vehicles from accidentally driving onto the sidewalk. Rolled curbs are somewhere in between, with a gentle slope that allows for easy pedestrian access while still providing some protection from vehicular traffic. So why are street curbs so important? Well, as mentioned earlier, they help keep pedestrians safe by separating them from vehicles. They also serve as a barrier that helps manage stormwater runoff, directing it towards drainage systems instead of flooding the sidewalks and roads. Additionally, curbs can help slow down traffic, making roads safer for everyone, including drivers. How the curbs are constructed. The first step in building a street curb is to prepare the site. This involves clearing the area and making sure the foundation is level. The next step is to create a wooden form that will act as a mold for the curb. The form is typically made from 2x4 lumber and is designed to match the desired shape and size of the curb. Once the form is set up, the next step is to pour the concrete. Concrete is the most common material used for street curbs because it's durable and can withstand heavy traffic. A mixture of cement, sand, water, and aggregate is poured into the wooden form, filling it up to the top. Workers then use tools to smooth out the surface and ensure that the concrete is evenly distributed. After the concrete has been poured, it needs time to dry and cure. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the weather conditions. Once the concrete is dry, the wooden form is removed, revealing the final shape of the curb. In some cases, additional steps may be taken to finish the curb. For example, workers may use a trowel to smooth out any imperfections or add texture to the surface. They may also apply a sealant or coating to protect the curb from damage and make it easier to maintain. Street curbs may seem like a small and insignificant detail, but they play a vital role in ensuring our safety as pedestrians and drivers. Creating a street curb takes time and effort. But the end result is a durable and long-lasting structure. So next time you're out and about, take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes of the roadways. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.